you feel alive, let's hit the dance floor. Don't work too hard, might break a backbone. Return of the Mac, the king is back though. Corvette and cash, I never lack those. She saw the stone, you know how that go.
What's up, Goddess Gang? Today we are back with another video, and today, y'all, I know y'all sick of seeing me, but we're going in with another Madam Glam Mani, and we have the apple bite color. It's very similar but not the same as a color you guys have seen on my channel recently, which was the green highlighter. This color is from an original unboxing on my channel, the first ever Madam Glam unboxing, which is all the way in the beginning of my videos. And go check it out if you haven't already. But anyways, this color, it was just like such a vibe, and we were so happy to use it. And so you guys are going to see, this is client number 1. That's what we refer to her as. You guys, we are keeping up with her natural nail care journey. And so you can see that I have her little utensil kit here. We have the alcohol prep pads. We got the nippers, the cuticle pusher, the buffer, the file. We are using Madam Glam Madam Glam base coat gel. And then we have SXC Cosmetics top coat, which is a bit thicker than the Born Pretty one, which you guys have seen me use previously. And I do prefer this one because of the thickness. I feel like it gives a good shine. However, sometimes it could maybe be a little yellowish. Sometimes you just don't want to over cure it or like cure it too much. Nevertheless, she didn't really need much. I just went in and cleaned up her nails, made them pretty even, clipped off any of the excess right along the edge, the sidewall. So yeah, that's that. Sometimes I get creeped out if I go too fast on these parts, like if I fast forward them too much. I try to keep it in general time for some of the parts that are like, okay girl. But yeah, so you just want to be very careful. She gets so nervous if you go too short, or like if you dig into the sides of her nose. She starts sweating and it gets very hard. She gets extremely nervous around her thumbs because she has smashed her fingernails before. So you got to keep in mind, every client's going to be different. And sometimes I have to tell her, be like, girl, if you don't chill, because she'll be like, oh my God. And I'll be like, did that hurt? And she'll be like, no, but I think it's going to hurt. And I'll be like, I cannot do your nails if you do that. I'm sorry. Or like sometimes she'll be like dead looking at it, trying to make sure like that I don't ruin or hurt her. And then I'll be like, if you staring at it like that, I can't see it. I need to see it, not you. So sometimes you have to talk to your clients like, listen. But like the one girl, when I told her about ripping her nails off, I think she started to take better care of her nails after that. Like, you gotta let them know, you know? But anyways, yeah, her prep is super easy. It takes a couple of minutes, literally. She almost never needs any nipping. It's amazing. I be jealous of her every time. Like, girl, I'm jealous because like my cleanup and your cleanup, 2 different cleanups. So that's that. Next, we're going to go in with our sanding band. Our sanding band. Our sanding band. I still like to go in with the ceramic bit around the cuticles just to make sure I have it fully in order. So I think that you guys are going to see that I do that. But I like to go in with the sanding band real quick for a nice prep. Get up any of that stubborn cuticle, excessive cuticle laying on the nail. And for some reason, in the end result, this set did not come out as wonderfully as I imagined. And I didn't really understand why that was. I don't really know, but it just didn't come out perfect. I don't know if maybe it was just like a bad day, or if there was like a lot of movement, like she was pretty antsy, or if I was pretty antsy. I think we was both pretty hyped up because we was just talking about random stuff. But I definitely feel like I didn't give my best, even though I felt like I did everything. I'm also really getting used to this. Oh, you know what? It was because I think I forgot to buff. I think it was mainly that I forgot to buff the nails after this. I think that's what really messed it up. Because I forgot to buff the nails. Oh, and I didn't even go around the cuticle, did I? Oh, no, I did buff them. But I didn't go around the cuticle. There's some place I went wrong, so I'm going to have to figure it out. I'm watching with y'all. I'm over here critiquing myself while I'm over here with y'all. Terrible. You can always improve. I mean, you have to be honest with yourself, right? I think it was because I didn't go in with that ceramic bit, and I'm so used to that. See, it's essential. I'm just all over the place. Not staying in one place at all. Zoomed in all extra close. This is horrible. I know. Maybe I was supposed to take this part out. Shoot. Yeah, there's her nipping process after. Okay. Okay. Alright. Alrighty. Yeah. So that was where I went wrong. I should have stuck to my gut and used the ceramic drill bit, because that would have made everything come together very smoothly. But I didn't. I tried to skip that and it didn't work out well for me. So I'm talking from all the way back there, y'all. I'm exhausted. Filming is a lot of work. I've been doing this all day. I can't tell y'all. And I still got lots of work to do after this. I might have to go take a nap, eat me some lunch, take a nap in between. You guys, my son's going to come out here and make me the best sub sandwich ever. And I am so excited because lunch meat that we have is the really good, what is it called? Boar's head. You ain't had no better roasted turkey. You ain't had no better. Alright, so anyways, we're going in with our Madam Glam base coat gel, vegan, cruelty free, 28 toxin free formula, environmentally friendly, and the list goes on, whatever. And I like this polish a lot. I love it. It's good. I like it a lot. My clients have good retention with this base coat gel, and I like to use it because it's vegan. It's healthy for their natural nails. And so yeah, and then we're gonna go in with our, so yeah, that was the only place where I really messed up. I should have just went in there with the ceramic bit. Yeah, I think that was where I ruined it. But nevertheless, I flooded the cuticle a little. Yeah, that was where I went wrong. That was the one place where I went wrong on this set. I'm thankful to see that it was just one thing that I did wrong. And I was trying to make up for it the entire time. Dummy. Don't do that. Don't be like me. Be better. So anyways, we're just going to be painting these, and then at the end you guys are going to see the final result. I'm not really proud that it's not my best work, but I'm thankful because she never cares, honestly, and she's not like a perfectionist like me, so it doesn't even occur to her that like there's something wrong from my perspective. And that's a good thing. And so definitely get friends like these who can support you, and like even on your bad days where you forget one of the most important steps that ruins the final outcome. Drop comments down below and let me know if you even noticed that it wasn't perfect, or if I'm just being like so extra. Also, I want to thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel yet again and watching another one of my videos. I have said it before and I'm going to continue to say it for a while, but we are getting into a new algorithm on YouTube, and with that, you guys know it has been a trend for a while that people are not getting notified whenever their favorite creators upload videos. So I wanted to let you guys know, here's the second code, by the way. I want to let you guys know that if you are subscribed to my channel and you notice that you're not getting notifications, if you could just unsubscribe and resubscribe and ring the notification bell, that should solve the problem. So just DM me and let me know if it does. If it doesn't, DM me and let me know that it doesn't, and we'll see what we can do to work with either YouTube or however it works. I don't know, but from what I have been seeing from other creators, it does resolve the issue if you just simply unsubscribe and resubscribe, and then that way our channel can be thrown into the algorithm and we can have more people visiting our channel and engaging in the comments and things like that. So anyways, thank you guys so much in advance, and you can see that this set looks way better with the second coat. It looks fine. It was just that I had done pretty bad without using that cuticle bit that I would normally use. And her nails was looking like, give me your money, give me your money, give me your money, give me your. And she got home and her son was so happy. He loves when she gets colorful nails. He hates when she gets those regular nails, and I hate it too. So shout out to Madam Glam for having such a broad, beautiful color palette to offer all of our madams in the community. And thank you guys so much for tuning into yet another video. I love you guys so much. I'm gonna leave you with the end results, put on a little bit of music so that you can enjoy, and you guys will see that we are gonna go in and top coat. And yeah, man, yeah, till next time, I love you guys so much. I holla y'all, and be sure to follow me on Instagram if you don't already. My Insta is at Scorpion Goddess Nails. Be sure to spam me and I will spam you back. If you spam me on Instagram, let me know so I can screenshot it in my notifications, and that way I can go ahead and give you a shout out. And I do want to let you guys know that you guys are going to be eligible for random prize giveaways and things like that. I'm going to be talking more about that in the future. Also updates on the blog site and everything like that, despite the fact that everything was delayed because I chose to make a calculated risk instead of a non-calculated risk. And I hope and pray that everything comes together very well over here at the Goddess Gang and amongst our network, and that we continue to grow and prosper and collaborate together. And I love you guys so much. I'll talk to you on the next one. Bye.
I will do it again.